Boys, now this is how you run the finale. Y'all ready? Hey, can you come get us? Boat people.
Weapons over here.
Would you look at this? Ready?
Roger that.
Alright, let's send that boat, boys. Let's get us out of here. Here we go, boys. We're gonna get this done. That's where we're going.
All right, guys. There's a boat on.
Hey, boys, check it out. It's Philly.
Incoming.
Fire on him. Got that jumping, boy. Got that food.
There's a pipe bomb here.
Yeah. I'll get the stairs. Watch the doorway. Dan, keep her out here. Keep her out here. Don't get separated. Throwing a grenade. Oh,
Rupee.
this is looking a little bit better.
Smoker.
There we go.
Don't get hung.
Oh, come on. Crap. There's that snaky son of a snake oil. Watch out! Help me, on me, on me! Good job, Dan. Come on, boys, we got more incoming. Get on that gun. Get on that gun.
Here they come.
I need help down here. I need help down here. I need help. Yeah, that fire. I gotta heal up, boys.
Cover me.
Keep fighting, keep fighting. There's a hot dog around here. Big arm boy downstairs.
Ah!
We got incoming tank. Everyone prepare. Dan, watch your fire.
Sorry, I have shit over my eyeballs. I can't see.
Indeed. Oh! Looks like I shot that out of the air. Everyone get down out of the building because he's gonna come up here. We gotta fight him and move.
Oh, there's
downstairs.
a dude, big boy inside.
Yeah, he's downstairs. We got incoming. Get away from him. Get away from him.
No.
Dan!
Going to hell.
That's
Come on. We got incoming. I'll cover y'all.
Look out!
Everyone get towards the building again. Sensitive. This man. Get cover on me. Yeah, game the Miller Mountains. The charger inside. Soon came the one day.
Ammo here.
Hot dog. Got a hot dog somewhere. Grenade out. There's a hot dog.
Grenade!
There's a hot dog, but he's not hot dog. What the heck? It's a non-hot dog. It's a non-hot dog. You boys ready? Trying to beat this nightmare.
Time to start some fires.
I got another. God, I need to cover for a second. I need cover for a second. Stupid notifications.
Jockey! Jockey!
Got a tank? Hot dog. Tank. He's to the right of the house. He's come towards us in the forest. He's down. Everybody, there they are. They're off the coast. Everyone get to the docks.
Weapons!
Everyone follow me. Come on, the boat's coming. The boat's coming. Everyone get over to these docks. Come on now. Come on. There they is. You can see the light. Come on, everyone. God damn it, Dan. I'm sorry. Let's get on that boat, boys. Now this is how you haul ass through this section, boys. That is how you haul ass.
All ass to that boat.
Memory of Dan the fireman. We've made it, boys. We have made it.